let's mukbang. Here is some fish chips. Actually, we eat them earlier, so it's a bit. Kanina guys kasi puno to. So, mukbang time. Wait. Kita nyo naman pa ako sa likod. Wala pa. Ang titigo. Lapit ako. Basta ito guys yung fish chips. Bye bye.